Welcome to Sexual Anxiety, Piecing the Puzzle Together. This represents part 3, where we will be talking about performance anxiety, and we'll be considering a treatment approach based on a unified model, whatever that's needed to move in a particular direction. I mean, a lot of this stuff depends upon things like self-confidence and a lot of self-confidence disappears with one failure. That's what happens. There's one failure. And you're probably familiar with emotion-focused approaches. These approaches are focused on managing and controlling the anxiety. We've said that, of course, anxiety affects the sympathetic nervous system. What do I now need to be thinking about in order to achieve a different goal than what I'm currently engaged in? Demand situation. Well, there are a number of strategies that can help sustain the person in that reflexive processing mode. So, for example, mindfulness training. The focus may be on how do we get this person back to this situation where that person is dominantly using automatic processing when it needs to be part of the peak performance. Right? In the sense that everybody is interested in learning about themselves, and people out there don't understand the difference between these kinds of processing, but they can begin to relate to it. And if what goes on in sexuality has low stakes compared with what goes on in sports and stage, right? I mean, these are high. You pay actors and actresses and